All the RI and district dues have been remitted on time till date. In various RID 3181 district committees, so that's an achievement. PDG MPHF Rotarian B. Devdas Rai is the RID 3181 district councillor for the year 2021. Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai has been awarded the highest RI honor, the Service Above Self Award by RI. Mangalore City Corporation and Rotaract Club of Mangalore City at MCC premises. Summary of vocation services during the year so far. A talk was conducted on career guidance in one of our weekly meetings. A talk was conducted on goods and service taxes in one of our weekly meetings. A talk on national education policy was conducted in one of our weekly meetings. Police Commemoration Day was held in the month of October 2020. The circle inspector and staff of Kadiri Rural Police Station were felicitated on the occasion. Community services. The project Vana Mahotsav was organized by the club at Urva Police Station, wherein 50 saplings were planted on the occasion and a few were also gifted. Yoga Yano, a 10-day Dhyana Yoga Shibir, a meditation camp, was organized by our club, and overall 80 members participated, and they were there for the entire program of 10 days. The club also helped in renovation of 8 toilets at Lady Hill Kannada Medium School. Essential items to the inmates of Snehadeep in the Pulse Polio Drive on the occasion of National Immunization Day, and the club was involved. The team met at a pre-designated place. The food packets were collected around 11 booths of Mangalore City Corporation. International service. Our members have attended the RID 3181 Foundation Seminar. We also attended World Polio Day program. A talk on the Rotary Foundation was organized in the month of November, which also happens to be the Rotary Foundation month. A sum of $680 has been contributed to the annual fund of the Rotary Foundation. The Rotaract Club of Mangalore City, which is sponsored by Rotary Club of Mangalore Center, the Rotaract District Assembly 2021 and Zoots of Karavali Zone Rotaract District 3181. The Director of Rotaract International Zone 7 2021 is Rotarian Ganesh, Rotaractor Ganesh, who is from our club. The ZRR of Karavali Zone Rotaract District 3181 2021, Rotaractor Sheldon Krasta is from Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. That's from now. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Secretary. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಈಗಿನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರು, ಅವರು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಣೇಶ್, ಡೈರಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗಣೇಶ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳು ಜಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ತಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ MD ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಬುಲೆಟಿನ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Thank you, Anand Shetty. I request you to deliver your a few words about activities and functions of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, please.
ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯವರಾದ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಅಶ್ರಾಫ್ ಬಕ್ಸಾರಿ ಅವರೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ರೋಟರಿ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದು ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಎಂ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಝೋನಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಶೇಟ್ ಅವರೇ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಾಲಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಚುನಾಯಿತರಾದ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ PDG MPHF ಬಾಡೂರು ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರಾಯ್, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡಿನ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಿರಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ರೋಟರಿ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನೆಟ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗೆ ರೋಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡೆರಿಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಣೇಶ್, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಯ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಉತ್ಸುಕತೆ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೋವಿಡ್ನಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ರೋಟರಿಯ ಗೌರವ ಹಾಗೂ ಘನತೆಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂದು ನನಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೂರ್ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಬುಲೆಟಿನನ್ನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮುದ್ರಿಸಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ತಲುಪುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಂಟೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿನ RI 3181 ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗವರ್ನರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತರಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಣೀಯವಾಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೆಲೋಶಿಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಪಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎನಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು 2006 2007 ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುವುದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸ್ಮರಣೀಯವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಯಾರ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಸ್ಮರಣೀಯಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು TRF ನಮ್ಮ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು $4,000 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳಿಂದ ತೆಗೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸರಳವಾಯಿತು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಜಿಯವರು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಜಿಯವರು ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರ ಆಶಯ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಆಶಯ ನೆರವೇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಮಧುಸೂದನ್ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಅವರ ಲಿಸ್ಟನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಗವರ್ನರ್ರ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಭೇಟಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ರೋಟರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ರೋಟರಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೂ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಗಳಿಸಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಅರ್ಹವುಳ್ಳಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಉಸಿರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅವರದ್ದು. ಯಾವ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಉತ್ತರವಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ನಾಥ್ ಕುಡು ಅವರು, ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ PHF ಪ್ರೇಮ್ನಾಥ್ ಕುಡು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
My dear friends, it gives me great pleasure to announce an award that our PDG Rotarian Devdas Ray has got today. That is the Service Above Self award. It so happened that last year, I think, or earlier this year, he told me that Ranga had called him up and asked for suggestions for recommending somebody from our district. So he gave, I think, 3 names, if I'm not mistaken. One name. He gave the name of Lakshminarayan. So Ranga said, okay, I will let you know if I am sent. Then Ranga called back and said, actually, I have decided to send your name across. Because I think it was a test. Suppose he had recommended his own name, no, I think Ranga would have given something. So he called up and said, I am recommending your name. And mostly because he knew that if we recommend Devdas, is sure to get it. As our president said, he lives and breathes Rotary. For all these years, he has been, he started from the Rotary Club Mudbidri, after which he came to our club. And most of all those we have been here with him since then, we have seen he is actually Rotary Club of Mangalore Central. Not just, and I say you are actually our honorary charter member. You should have been there when the club started. So with these few words, I'd like to congratulate Devdas for having got this award, which only 6 other Rotarians have got in India this year. In Mangalore, I think there are 7 in Mangalore, including late. Yeah. So he joins a list of very small number of Rotarians in our district who have received this award.
So I'm reading the felicitation plaque of PDG PHF Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai. He is a well-known physician of DK district. He had his primary education in Udupi and Manipal. He graduated from KMC Manipal and completed his MD medicine from JNMC Belgaum. He was a student leader throughout his student career. He was the president of KMC Student Council in the year 1982-83. He was the chief physician of Alwas Healthcare, Mudvidri, professor of medicine in KS Hegde Medical Academy, Derlakatte, and he is presently serving as the professor of medicine in AJ Institute of Medical Sciences. A very dynamic Rotarian, Dr. Rai has served in many positions both in Rotary and Rotaract. He was one of the successful presidents of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central in the year 1998-99, organizing programs like Roto Consumex Karavali Utsav. The entire proceeds of the exhibition of rupees 10 lakhs were donated to the district administration for the construction of a science and space center at Pilikula. Orphanage Olympics, hepatitis B immunization drive and diabetes detection drive. He initiated the Rotary involvement in cleft lip surgery project in Kshema, Derlakatte. He was the district governor of RI District 3180 in the year 2012-13 and was one of the successful Rotary governors of the district. He was the president of API DK chapter in 2002-2003, the president of Doctors Association Mudvidri, the vice president of Dakshin Kannada Cricket Association. He was the secretary of the IMA Mangalore branch for 18 months in the year 98-99. His stint as secretary of the branch was a very successful one. He has been the editor of IMA Bulletin Medilor for 20 years and has been instrumental in maintaining the high quality of Medilor. He was editor of Edifice, souvenir brought out by the IMA Mangalore branch during the occasion of the inauguration of IMA. House Mangalore. He was the president of IMA Mangalore during the year 2005-2006. His year as IMA president was a very successful one. The most important project being the publication of the only IMA members directory of the branch to date. He was one of the 5 doctors who received the prestigious IMA State Award from the Karnataka State branch of IMA in the state conference held at Belagavi in the year 2008 for outstanding service. Mangalore Doctors Day Award in the year 2014-15. Dr. Rai has been conferred with the prestigious Karnataka Zilla Rajyotsav Award 2004 and the Aryabhatta Award for 2002-2003 for outstanding service in the field of medical science service. He was honored by Mangala, a leading Kannada weekly, with the Sadhana Award in a function held at Hassan in 2015. He is the recipient of Outstanding Young Person of the Year Award instituted by Mangalore JCs in 2002. He was also honored by the Bantara Yani Nadavara Mahatra Sangha, Mangalore, for his contribution of cricket and table tennis. He is an avid quiz buff and has the hobby of short story writing. He is an all-rounder and involved in every aspect of life. He is happily married to Dr. Supriya Rai, a well-known gynecologist, and is blessed with a son, Saurabh, who is an engineer by profession employed in USA. Oof, huge. So I request dignitaries to...
ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ಅವರ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸೋರು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಉದಯ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವಾದಂಥ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ PHF ಪ್ರೇಮ್ನಾಥ್ ಕುಡುವ 1987 34 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಈ ತನಕ 34 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಕಳೆದಿವೆ. ಈ ತನಕ ಅವರು ಈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಿರಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಗಲಿಗೆ ಹೆಗಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಅವರು ಸಹ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಭಾಯ್ ಅವರು ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ಅವರು ಈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ 34 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೇವಾ ಮನೋಭಾವದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಾ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸೋಣ. ಅಂತ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅವರು GST ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ನಿವೃತ್ತರಾಗಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೇವಣ್ಕರ್, ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾದಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ MPHF MD ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಜೋನಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಅವರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಕೆ IRS ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು, IRS ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಅವರ ವೈಫ್ ಆಶಾ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ GST. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ GST, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ, ಫೇಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮನಿ ಲಾಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ GSTಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಈಗ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ಮಗನ ಹೆಸರು ವರುಣ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಮಗ. ಅವರು MBA ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಬೇಕು.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಫೆಲೋ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ that I shall serve this club faithfully by regular attendance in club meetings and full participation in committee work. I also pledge that I shall follow the four-way test in thought and action. I also pledge that I shall exert every available influence to me to promote peace, understanding, harmony, and betterment among all fellow beings.
ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಝೂಮ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆದು GST ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಎಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿವರಣೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನು ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ನು ಆಗುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪುನಃ ಕರೆಸಿ ತಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ತಾವೀಗ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ನು ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಾವು ನೀಡ್ತೀರಂತ ಭರವಸೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಗವರ್ನರ ಎರಡು ಮಾತು. ಹೇಳಿ, ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕೆನರಾ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಆನರರಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಕೆನರಾ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯ ಸಂಭಾವನೆ ಪಡೆಯದೆ ತನ್ನ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ತನ್ನ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಬವ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಬವ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡಾನರ್ ಆಗುವವರು ಅವರು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
The focus of attention, District Governor 3181 2020-21, Rotarian Major Donor Ranganath Bhatt, Assistant Governor Zone 2 RADC 3181 2020-21, Rotarian Multiple Paul Harris Fellow Anand Shetty. I'll call you Multiple Paul Harris Fellow until you become Major Donor. Zonal Lieutenant RADC 3181 Zone 2, Rotarian Past President Santosh Seth, President of our club Rotarian Past President Prakash Chandra, Secretary of our club Rotarian Ashraf Bagsaria, President-elect of our club Rotarian Rama Shesha Shetty. Before introducing my good friend Rotarian Major Don Rangnath Bhatt to you, I would just like to thank the club for felicitating me for the Service Above Self Award. Well, the story I have to tell you is there is a publication called as Resource which comes from the RI South Asia office once in I think 3 months. Actually, I don't see that at all because I am very bad in computers. But somehow on that, about 4 months back, that Resource soft copy, I happened to just glance. And in that, it was mentioned that the governors should submit their applications to the Service Above Self Award by 31st of the month. I saw it on 27th or 28th. Then I phoned up our governor. And I think that time even Rangnath Bhatt had not seen that resource, I think. I said, why don't you propose the name of a past district governor? Then Rangnath Bhatt asked me, whom do you think? I said, Lakshmi Narayana, past district governor Lakshmi Narayana, M. Lakshmi Narayana from Mysore. He's a very, senior Rotarian. And I tried. When I was the governor, I had put the nomination, I and Gururaj, because at that time it was immediate past governor, present governor and governor-elect. 3 of us had to put the hard copy, but Lakshmi Narayana didn't make it. So I suggested Lakshmi Narayana. But what happens is, the achievements in the governorship year are considered. So I think again Ranga went through all those things, and on 30th, 31st was the last day for submission, 29th I think, one more day was there. Rangnath Bhatt said, I have decided on your candidature. I'm nominating you. Then 30th he phoned me up. Now the procedure has completely changed. I think IPDG and district governor elect are not there. Only governor, he has to go online. He has to go online and answer the questions. So Rangnath Bhatt started answering the questions. First the computer asked, is he still active? Is he still active? Because after PDG you go. That Rangnath Bhatt answered. He is like that, councillor, that, all those things. Next question was, After 3 questions, Rangnath Bhatt was slightly, he said, no, I am finding it difficult. Can you email your thing? And, I am also totally. So I told, the only way is I'll come to your house. So I went to his house at 1 o'clock. We sat from 1 o'clock to 2:30. The computer asked some 40 to 50 questions. One is, how many members he has brought to the Rotary Club, his Rotary Club, all that. It was, it was like, and then at the end we submitted it, and we thought 4 months later, when the board of directors were meeting virtually, I got a call from Mahesh Kotabagi, the director-elect. Hey, congratulations, man, you have been nominated. Of course, he is not the one who was nominated, but you have been nominated for the Service Above Self Award. And then Ravi Vadlamani phoned me up. Then, of course, but then the governor had got, totally what they said is only 7 people from India have got it this time. I don't know how many people from the world. Entire Zone 7, I was the only one. Anyway, thank you. For the credit for that should go to our governor, Rotarian Major Donor Rangnath Bhatt. And it's a medallion. I think it will come in March or something. Crystal. It's a crystal. Some Rajgopal Rai is asking, there's no cash in that. But one thing is there. After getting that, I got about 300 congratulatory messages from all over. So I think it's a very prestigious. And Premnath Kuda was asking me, asking who else in Mangalore. Past District Governor Surya Prakash Bhatt has got it. Past District Governor Krishna Shetty has got it. Before that, Dr. C.R. Kamath had got it. Krishnavatar Jalan had got it. At that time, they were giving for all, but now they made it for PDGs. So that is about the Service Above Self Award. Now coming to my task. Rotarian Major Donor Manjeshwara Ranganatha Bhatt. Manjeshwara Ranganatha Bhatt is a thoroughbred Bangalorean. From his childhood till now, he has spent all his life in Mangalore. His education he did in Canara group of institutions, of which now he is the honorary secretary. When he was the student of Canara High School, he was the president of the Interact Club of Canara High School. So Ranganath Bhatt has started from the Interact movement. Then, of course, after finishing his PUC in Canara, he went on to study in the prestigious National Institute of Technology, Surathkal, NITK. Is it BTech degree or BE? BTech. BTech in Mechanical Engineering. Yes. So he did his BTech in, very prestigious. In fact, getting in the NITK itself is a brilliant student. Then, for some time he worked. Then he decided that, no, I will not work. I will join my family business. He joined his family business of freight transportation service initially. And later on, he started, in fact, he was among the first people in Mangalore to start computerized wheel alignment and allied services in the year 1988. And now it is called as Rohit Auto Care. One of the most, efficient wheel alignment, tire retailing and allied services. So that was, he started in the year 1988. In the year 1989, Rotary saw a very good asset joining Rotary. He joined the Rotary Club of Mangalore North in the year 1989, and he has been sincere in the Rotary movement since then. He was the president of the Rotary Club of Mangalore North in the year 97-98, 1 year before me. I was the president in 98-99. Rangnath Bhatt was the president of the Rotary Club of Mangalore North in the year 97-98. And then he was the assistant governor in the year 2000-2001. At that time, I think R. Krishna, or who was, no, I think Chandrasekhar, A.S. Chandrasekhar and Ravi Jalan was our president. A.S. Chandrasekhar was the governor. He did a very good job as assistant governor. And from then on, he has never looked back. He has adorned several posts. Of course, now he is a member of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Metro. And now, of course, he has assumed charge as the Rotary District Governor. Initially, for about 4 or 5 months, the corona was a little but now we have made up. He has visited almost 30 clubs, I think. And the directory has been exceptionally brought out well. I am proud to say that I am his district councillor. So, and he is a major donor to the Rotary Foundation. He is married to Rotarian Rajani. She was the president of the Inner Wheel Club of Mangalore North initially, and now she is a Rotarian of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Metro. A very talented lady. I am given to understand that she is a very good painter and an artist, if I am not wrong. And Ranganath Bhatt has a dynamic son called Rohit. I don't know whether he's a Rotarian. Is he Rotarian? He's a Rotarian. Is he PHF or like that, anything like that? Multiple PHF? Rohit, who is also, I think, mechanical engineer. And then he served for 7 years in L&T. And now Rohit looks after the Rohit Auto Care. And he has got a daughter called Rohini, who is doing her second year in PUC, if I am not wrong. Yes. And a grandson called Vihan. So this is his very, you must see in the bulletin I put the family photograph. What a happy family. Now in addition to all his Rotary and other things, activities, he is also the honorary secretary of the Canara High School Association, a 129-year-old institution which runs, I don't know, some 40 institutions ranging from kindergarten to engineering. So that is the one. Unfortunately, I think Vikram Datta didn't see the proof. In the directory they mentioned was the honorary secretary. He is the honorary secretary. Okay. Now, in addition to that, he is an avid photographer. I think these photographers may be put to shame watching his photograph. Plus, a cycle enthusiast. We called him to our club once. He spoke on cycling. So this is an extremely humble person. In the morning, the president was introducing Ranganath Bhatt to the inmates of the Snehadeep. He said, he was also, president also saying, very humble, very down to earth. He will mix with all of us. I wish Ranganath Bhatt many more laurels in Rotary and his professional life. Now, since I have this penchant, I'll do it once again. Except Ranganath Bhatt, everybody must stand up and give him a standing ovation. Ranganath Bhatt must sit. So I wish you a very happy, a very successful district conference. Abhaya, they're doing very good arrangements. 1,300 is already, people are already registered, and they want to restrict it to 1,500, I think. The conference will be the difference. They're having one talk, then they're having so many things. So quite a few of us have registered, but we still have, we would like some more people to register. So with these few words, I welcome Rotarian Major Donor Manjeshwar Ranganath Bhatt to our club.
President Prakash Chandra, Assistant Governor, can I say donor, major donor? You know, when batsmen go on to bat, they go on talking to themselves. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. So major donor, and definitely he'll become a major donor. So our Rotarian Anand Shetty, club, our zonal lieutenant Rotarian Santosh Shet, Secretary Ashraf, incoming President Ramashesha Shetty, our PDG Dr. Devdas Rai. There is one thing I want to change in his name. He has got MD after his name, but there has to be MD before his name. So with the Service Above Self award, that has to come, Dr. Devdas Rai. It has to come. And our charter president, Premnath Kudwa, another charter member, my friend, Rotarian Satish Pai, who gave us a superb conference. We still remember that conference. And all the members of my Rotary family. You know, it's a pleasure to be in the Rotary Club of Bangalore Central. And the past district governor that you have in your club is a busy bee. He does everything, including his felicitation, he does everything. I was really amazed at the way you are directing things. When he came to me, the kind of information he has got with him when we were filling that form was really, it's no ordinary persons can do it. The memory you have, sir, is absolutely fantastic. And he deserves every bit of it, every bit of it. So you really deserve it. It is not that I just, at the last moment I had to give it to you. No, you definitely deserve it. And you know, after the pandemic, we have learned so many things. There are some words that we never ever heard at all, like quarantine. Quarantine was only for people with leprosy or TB. They used to be quarantined in quarters and all that. That is what. And when I went to some club visits, maybe there was one club in Mysore, they told me, "Sir, you are one of the unluckiest governors." That's what they told me. So I told him, no, I am not unlucky. I am one of the luckiest governors, because no installations have been held, and all that money that was saved from drinking and spending for food has gone for service activities. And you know what? Today the position is that we have uploaded 2,983 activities from 81 clubs, and we stand third in the entire country. That is because of the excellent presidents that we have, the excellent team that we have in the district. Man is somebody who has got instincts, and the basic instincts are survival, freedom, power, fun. History says that we were living in tribes, and each one of us want to be part of the tribe. And what happens is, the biggest punishment that any person can get is throw him out of the tribe, or you are sent to prison. And that is actually death. So even Aristotle said man is a social animal. When we come into Rotary, people come here for company, for friendship. And people are happy when they come into Rotary. The speaker says, if you want to be happy, there is something that we can give you, and that is not a medicine, and that is not a pep talk. Happy, you have to serve. Service to mankind is the only thing that can make you happy. It seems there was a teacher who one day filled a classroom full of balloons with the names of all the students on it. And when the students came in, he said to each student, go and pick up a balloon of your name. And in the next 15 minutes, there was a lot of chaos. Nobody could find the balloon of his name on it. And after that, the teacher called them again, and he said, go and find the first balloon and give it to that person. And within 5 minutes, the entire class got the balloons of their name. The moral of this story is, don't try to find happiness for yourself. Give somebody happiness, and you will get your happiness. We all owe a debt to the society. Everybody. As soon as we are born, we owe a debt to our parents. And when we grow up, our siblings, and after that, we owe a debt to our teachers. There is nobody in this world who has got no debt at all. And after that, after we grow up, what happens is we owe a debt to the society. And this is where the time comes in everybody's life when we have to repay that debt. Each one has to do that, because society has given us a position in this world, and we have to pay that debt. We had in our Canara High School Association, not in the association, there was a person who lived in the Canara hostel, free of charge. That was in the 1930s or 40s. Maybe in 1999 or 2000, his wife had come to the Canara High School Association and asked the then management, we want to give you a hall, and what kind of hall do you want? We will build it for you. Then the management said, okay, we want a hall. We have got about 500 students here. We want a hall for 500 students. And after that, the lady's son came and built a hall for the school at a cost of 2.5 crores. That is the TV Tamanpai Hall. And the Mohandas Pai's mother, she said, this is the debt I am paying because Canara schools made available an accommodation for my husband when he could not have an academic accommodation here, and also taught him, educated him free of cost. That is a debt. What happens is, you don't love your school or alma mater until you go out of the institution about 30 or 40 years later. You have a love for that. Similar thing happened about 5 years ago when Arvind Adiga had come here. I showed him the place behind the Krishna Mandir. There is a Krishna Mandir. He was in our school only for 1 year. He was in the first standard. And all his life, he had got first rank. Only in Canara, he has got a second rank. He told me there was one GSB girl who got the first rank. Then he went to the place where he had played cricket. You know what happens? I am from NITK. Whenever I go to NITK, something happens inside you. The nostalgia takes over, and those memories come back. Similar thing happened to Arvind Adiga, and he was still for some time. Then we came out. There was a new building which had come up, and he told me, "What is the fees you are charging for this?" I told him we are charging 12,000 rupees. And what is the fees for the CBSE? I told him 30,000 rupees. It's just 12,000 for this? Yes, that's our philosophy. I told him our philosophy itself is quality education at affordable cost. And then he said, I am impressed. Because even rickshaw drivers' children, everybody comes to our school, and I told him once they come into school, we don't differentiate. And he said, I am going to give you a scholarship of 20 lakhs. After that, we came to the school next to that, and he said, I'll give you 40 lakhs. Yes. And then he said, I'm going to call you tomorrow morning. Arvind Adiga is a person who doesn't want to be recognized. When he first called me, he was sitting in Moti Mahal, the veg restaurant, and he was just writing down. He is a very private person. Then next day he called me, you come to Forum Mall. And I went to Forum Mall. He was sitting in Cafe Coffee Day. The first seat on the left. Every time I go there, whoever is with me, I tell him, I got the check from Arvind Adiga here. And I sat in front of him, and some pleasantries were exchanged, and he gave me the check, and he said, next year, whoever you are giving it to, just give me some information about it. When I saw the check, it was for 1 crore. And we are giving 30% scholarship to about 400 students from that. Now, this is called debt. This is called debt, and the debt you have got to repay to your society. Now, so many children are benefiting from it. Even in our lives, there is a saying that givers can sleep well, but takers can only eat well. That is why it is very important that each one of us should give to the Rotary Foundation. Yes. Now, Dr. Madhusudan Upadhyay is smiling because, he's very, very, very near the major donor mark. Like I said, our district has got 2.5 crore worth of global grants this year, and another 2 projects are on the pipeline. One is a 40 lakh worth project, one that is from Mangalore Metro, and one more of 40 lakhs from Rotary Club of Mangalore, that is for the milk bank. If those 2 happen, we will have crossed 3 crore, and that will be a new record for the Rotary Club, the Rotary District 3181. Now about the conference. I am not going to talk because we are already crossed 9 o'clock. There have been so many speakers about the conference. taking a cue from our Rotarian Satish Pai, who gave us a wonderful conference, we thought that this should be a conference with a difference. We don't want people to be bored with, usually sessions are 30 minutes and some PDG will come and bore us to death. So what we thought is we will have speakers other than Rotarians. There will be only one Rotarian who will be coming to inaugurate the seminar, and he is a superb speaker. Most of all, he is a wonderful gentleman. He is the RI director for Zone 7, Dr. Bharat Pandya. And he is too good. He is absolutely good. And after that, for the keynote address, we will have Sumalata, the actor. She has agreed to come and she won't speak on politics. And on the sessions next day, what we are planning to do, and again, we have given only 15 minutes for those speakers. Every speaker will speak only for 15 minutes because our attention span is not more than 15 minutes. And to digest what the speaker has said or to forget what the speaker has said, we are going to give you a dance performance in between. After every speech. Entertainment. And there will be games for all the ladies. There will be prizes, not soap and all that. We will be giving you saris or pressure cookers, what the ladies really want. Look at that. Everywhere this has worked. No, everywhere this has worked, and we have already crossed the 1,300 mark. The speakers that are going to come are to speak on vocational service, on women empowerment. We have Ullas Kamath from Jyoti Laboratories. And he has got a factory in Kerala where the entire workforce is made up of women. And it's a very, very successful story of women empowerment. After that, we'll have Swati Chandrasekhar of the TV5 fame, the Bahubali fame. She is a fiery speaker, young girl, fiery speaker. Then we will have Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi. She is a transgender. She's been on the Big Boss and the Kapil Sharma show. She has represented Pan Asia on the UN. And she is a great character. She is a great character. You will love her. And then we have Venugopal Nair. He is connected with Gyanesh Pandey. If you go through the YouTube, you will find out who Gyanesh Pandey is. He was working for Bosch in their CSR section, and he has got wonderful stories of working with the community in the rural areas. He has got a lot of success stories, which will give us food for thought to do service. And that is why we are in Rotary for Service. Then on the next day, on Sunday, we will have for glamour, and she is a good speaker also, the actor Nandita Das. And after that, we are trying to get Dr. Manjunath from the Jayadeva Institute. And he will not be speaking on medicine, but he will be speaking on philanthropy. And to make the conference attractive for ladies and all the kids who are coming here, we have, and also for us, we will have, there are two big lawns there. We will have ABCD, that is anybody can dance. So on one side the ladies will dance, on the other side the gents will dance. And to teach us how to dance, there will be professional dancers who will teach us, because otherwise it will be totally pilivesha. No, we will have good training for you. And on Sunday morning at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, we will have Zumba on the beach. There will be a Zumba on the beach because people who come from Chamradnagar or Mysore, they would love to be at the beach. So we will make arrangements for that. And those who don't want to exercise with Zumba, they can take a stroll on the beach. And we are going to get them back to the venue relaxed. So this is what is the conference going to be. And from 30th April, 5 o'clock to 1 o'clock on Sunday, you will really enjoy. So thank you very much. Take care. I loved every moment of being in Rotary Club of Bangalore Central. Thank you very much.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಸೋತು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕಂತೆ, ಸೋತು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಡೀ ದಿವಸ ಬೆರೆತು ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದದಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಮೊಮೆಂಟವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗವರ್ನರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅದರ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡ್ಯಾರಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗಣೇಶ್ ಬಂದು ಅವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ನೀಡುವಂಥ ಸೇವೆ, ಅವರ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ನ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೆನ್ನನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಿರಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ರಾಮಮೋಹನರವರು ಬಂದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ, ಸಾಯಿಬರವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ವರ್ಷ ಗಾನ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗೆ ನಾನು ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಂದ, ಚುನಾಯಿತ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಂದ ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆ.
ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ MD ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈಗ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀನಿ. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾದರೆ 2 ಸಂಗತಿಗಳು ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಒಂದು, ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ ಏನನ್ನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಬೇಡಿ. 2, ಬೇರೆಯೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತುಲನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಈ 2 ಸಂಗತಿಗಳ ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿದರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆಂದವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ MD ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ ಡೋನರ್. ನಾನು ಸಹ ಈ BO ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಆವಾಗ, ಆ ಟೈಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.